Alright, welcome back. You guys are looking fabulous as always. So today I was kind of going through the alcohol store and I found these. These are Belching Beaver. They are out of California. I've tried their peanut butter stout before and it is pretty decent. So today's flavors are going to be raspberry blackberry, passion fruit guava, and pineapple mango. Let's get cracking with passion fruit guava. Alright, and right on the can it says real fruit, not clear fruit. So, shots fired at everybody else that uses clear fruit. So, you can tell it has some color in there. Right off the bat, smells like every other passion fruit guava. It's a really good flavor. I would assume this is what passion fruit guava tastes like. Never actually had the fruits. But yeah, super good. Really flowery and tropical. Some of the facts are going to be 110 calories, 0 sugar, 2 grams of carbs, 110 calories, and 5.5% alcohol in each can. So, pretty good stuff so far. It's more sour than the sour Bud Light I've reviewed last week. Alright, let's get on to raspberry blackberry. Alright, bit of a pinkish hue. Smells like raspberry, blackberry. Mostly just got club soda in there. Yeah, it's not really a strong flavor. It's very subtle. But yeah, you can taste the raspberry and blackberry in there. Just little bits of it. That last one I could taste the alcohol. Yeah. Not a huge fan of this flavor, but hopefully this one will make up for it. Pineapple mango. Yeah, slightly yellowish. Kind of smells like champagne, which is odd. But yeah, kind of pineapple-y champagne smell. Yeah, it's mostly mango, only slightly. Can't really taste the pineapple in there. Yeah, the most flavorful one was this one, the passion fruit guava. There's a slight pineapple taste in the aftertaste, but that's about it. To rank them, going by flavor, passion fruit guava, Gonna do pineapple mango and then blackberry raspberry. Yeah. Overall, I think I would skip this pack next time. It's you only get 3 flavors. They aren't the best. But I mean, if you like real fruit and no sugar, then I guess pick these up. But until next time, peace.